Hey y'all, it's Addison from Diggin' Zone. You just caught me testing one of our new tracks. Keep watching for more exciting updates. One of the things I'm most excited about is the completion of our brand new arcade. You can come and play games, challenge your friends, and win tons of prizes. Oh, look what I found. This might come in handy. Maybe you want to challenge your friends racing cars. Or maybe you want to challenge them racing motorcycles. I really want to win that Rudolph over there. Game of Monopoly, anyone?
No, own it all.
Our gift shop is complete and is currently being stocked. Here's a preview of some of our items. Anyone want a pucker powder? Or you can take home some construction toys, t-shirts, or hats. Look how cute these are. Anyone want to eat cereal out of an excavator bucket with a shovel? Thanks to Vulcan Materials, we have this huge bucket, perfect for photo ops with the entire family. Another thing I'm really excited about is the completion of our gem mine, which you can find really fun jewels to take home. Thanks for checking out today's update at Diggin' Zone. Now, before you go, we have one last sneak peek for you. Do you think you have the skills to put the pipe in the cutout? This is really much harder than it looks. Yay!